Hi guys! As a lot of our viewers said they were having problems making some parts of the lotus flower origami, we decided to do a new version of it. This time we filmed it from 2 different angles and, as you can hear, we added audio instructions to it. Hope that this time it is easier to understand. So let's begin. With the white side facing up, fold the paper in half horizontally. Unfold and fold it again vertically. Fold the corner to the center. Repeat for the other 3 corners. Now fold again the 4 corners to the center. Now we will make a fold that is 2/3 of this line in the middle, which will help us pull this flap without tearing it. Repeat for the other 3 corners. Unfold. Flip the paper over and fold the 4 corners to the center again. Unfold one of the corners. Notice the fold we made before. Fold it again while bringing back the last corners we folded to the center. Flatten it nicely. Do the last steps 3 more times. Flip it over and fold the 4 flaps outwards. Now press it a little in the middle to make it less flat. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.